Okay, so what I wanted to do, since I haven't seen an unboxing or anything of the ECS Tuning exhaust system for the Audi B9 A4, here's what each section of it looks like. Pretty good welds. I've had AWE, I've had Miltech before in other cars. It's pretty comparable, let's say. Some people say that it's not, but everybody has their own opinion. So I got the resonated version that will have a resonator here instead of the straight pipes, valve exhaust on each side, wide pipe, then the section for the rest of the exhaust up to the downpipe. Then done resonated downpipe, and then I have a high flow cat. You also got the 4-inch chrome tips with a swivel. It does come with their version for the valve system. You get 2 little clickers, and you get the wiring for it here. I decided not to want to tap into my boost lines or my vacuum lines, so I decided just to get on eBay. This has worked out for other people with no issues. And I just got the one you plug into either your cigarette lighter or you hardwire it, and it creates the vacuum through the pump here. And then it also has clickers that are kind of very similar to what ECS Tuning has. And then I will do an exhaust clip later on, and then really see if it's drone free when the valves are closed like they claim, or very minimal drone, and kind of go from there. I know that if I have to do some drone, then I'm gonna put in the ultra quiet here in this section, and then kind of mount it so that it doesn't hit the ground or whenever you go over bumps. But there is the ECS Tuning valve exhaust for the Audi B9 A4.